Good morning, my name is Donnie. I'm going to show you how to repair some broken jarts. Got two different kinds here. Slider jart, these are the best. And then the non-slider kind, the fixed ones. These have a little bit thicker shaft on them than these style. Let's move two of these out of the way. Ooh, that one cracked good. And as you can see, a common problem with these is the crack or the fins bust off completely after 30 years. So what I've got here is a new set of jarts from this company. It's called Poof. I don't know if you can see that. You can get these on Amazon pretty cheap. And they have these kind of heads on them. They suck. They're really lightweight. They don't work well. But the neat thing they have is they have an almost identical fin. This is their original here, and that's the fin there. And they're interchangeable. So let me show you how to get these fins off. There's two things you got to do to make them work. One is there's these little plastic tabs right here on the fins that keep them from falling off. Just take anything. I'm using a PVC cutter and just cut them off. Then the fin comes right off. And you can see a better comparison. Pretty close to the same fins. These are a little more flexible and slightly lighter. I think I prefer the heaviness of these, but they'll work really well. The other thing is at the back they got a cross hatch on here of tabs. You have to remove those. Let me show you. Especially with the slider jarts. It won't matter for the fixed jart. You don't care if it slides or not, but on the sliders you want the fin to slide nice and easy on the shaft. With those tabs on there, there's friction. It won't slide back and forth on this. So you just get yourself a drill bit. Other side doesn't have the holes. Find one that fits in there nice and snugly. And then you're just gonna take it takes 1 second. Put that in the fin and make sure it's all nice and smooth. And that's it. Put the thing back on. You've got yourself an original slider jart. Pretty nifty. Hope this helps. About $18 on Amazon for these, and they'll fix these, and I'll even show you on the other pair, the non-sliders. They'll work too. Oops, gotta hold the head, spinning the plastic piece there. Alright, here's the non-slider style. It's got this plastic piece to keep it from slipping. The shaft is quite a bit fatter on these ones. But as you can see, it'll work on there too. Now you can make a slider jart out of these, but you won't have that black plastic piece in there. But if you just leave this off, I can just screw this nut on there. These will make sliders like this. Maybe get some kind of dry lube. But it works pretty good. Thanks for watching.